Thanks for joining me. Today I'm working on my Thankful 30 album. I have never made a Thankful 30 album before, and I've really wanted to do this project the past couple years. So this is the year. I am using a Love from Lizi or the Love from Lizi October kit because the papers were just perfect. They're all fall and autumn related, and I thought, all right, this is the year, and this is the kit and the papers, and let's do it. So I decided to make a 4 1/4 album. So the papers are 4 1/4 squared, and then the papers I'm using as my mats are either like that one, like a 3x4 card, or mostly they're 4x4 squares. The awesome thing about the papers that came in the kit, there was a cut apart sheet with 4x4 squares, so it was super easy to use those as well. So I go through my papers, and you'll see I have them kind of cut out. I have my cut aparts from the sheet, and then I also have my background papers all cut out and ready to go. So I'm just kind of deciding which ones I want to match up and tape together. Sorry for the bumpiness. Whenever I use my tape runner, it kind of bumps my desk, and then that bumps my camera. So here I am just taping away, and I also wanted to mention that after I put this video up, I've also made some embellishments with my scraps. So after I made the album, I went then and used some punches and a couple things and made embellishments, because then I thought, well, that will make this album really easy to do because I'll already have some decorations already made. So that video will be coming after in the next day or so. So keep your eyes peeled. Embellishments, I think, are some of my favorite things to make. So that's coming. All right, so I'm still gluing, or not gluing, but I'm taping to make the pages nice and sturdy, a front and a back. And here I'm using my crocodile to punch holes in the front cover, and then on the desk there, that's my back cover. And I glued the papers onto chipboard so that my front and back cover are extra sturdy. And so now I'm going to go through and punch holes using the Tim Holtz hole punch, and I found that at Tuesday Morning, and it was really inexpensive. It was a great deal. So then this also kind of gives you a flip through of the album. So again, my embellishment video will be coming up, and then what I thought I would do is every several days I will kind of do a little flip through of how the process has been going. We'll see how it goes since it's my first Thankful 30. But hopefully, since it's a small album and I have embellishments, I think it will be pretty easy. And then I found a prompt list from Pinterest, so I think it's going to be a pretty fun, easygoing kind of project. So here I am just finishing up. Some of those papers are just gorgeous. I love that Hello Autumn, so pretty. I'm just finishing up hole punching. And then I'm going to attach it with some rings. And the first ring didn't really want to cooperate, but after I get the first ring on, the second ring was really easy. Also off camera, I added 2018 to the front cover. You'll see that when I do my first few days flip through. And then in the kit, there's the purple ribbon that you see off to on the ribbon. It's gorgeous, and it totally matched, and I love it. And I thought that was a fun thing to add to the rings. And then right now I'm adding rhinestones to the centers of the flowers. And like I said, I'm going to add 2018 to the cover too. And just making sure everything flips okay, works pretty well. And I will be back with the embellishments. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.